Hello viewers across the globe, welcome to InfoDem. In this video I want to quickly show you how to farm crypto on Binance. And also before I proceed, I want to sincerely apologize to my subscriber about one of my video, how to get Porter airdrop. I actually participated in that airdrop, but at the end of the day I realized that it was just a waste of time. I want to sincerely apologize for also wasting your time. Now I know better. What I discover after uploading that video is this: whenever you see a crypto that was about to be listed on Binance and is being farmed on Binance, I want to encourage you to disregard any link to get that airdrop because it's a scam. That was exactly what I learned from that experience, and I promise that it will not happen again. So I sincerely apologize, and that is why I am doing this video, to show you how to farm on Binance. Now if you go to your Binance, when you open your Binance and you click home, you come up here and click new. When you click new, as you can see, you see Avil here. Avil was listed yesterday. Avil was listed yesterday, and this is the next coin that will be listed on Binance. If you can see it, F5. You can see farming here, and we have 78 hours, 32 minutes, 50 seconds left for this coin to be listed. Now, how are you going to get this coin? How do you get this coin? By farming it. And how do you farm it? Number one thing you must do is you must have BNB in your wallet. I repeat again, you must have BNB in your wallet. If you don't have BNB, you can buy any crypto and convert to BNB, but make sure that you have BNB in your wallet. Once that is settled, once you have BNB ready in your wallet, the next thing you want to do is to click, you will see Launchpad here. You click Launchpad at the front of the coin here, in between the name of the coin and the farming time. You see Launchpad, you click it. Once you click Launchpad, it will take you to this place. As you can see, you can use FDUSD to stake. You can use BNB pool also. We still. Now I want to explain something here. While staking your BNB is intact. You are just taking it for this period. After this period, your BNB will return back to your wallet, and you will be allocated, you will be given the unit of coin that is, accrued to you depending on the unit of BNB that you stake. So right now, if you have gotten to this place, the next thing you want to do, I want to use BNB to stake now. You can use two coin here to stake. You can use FDUSD pool. You can also use BNB pool. I want to use BNB now. So the next thing I want to do from here now is to, you see stake at the front of the BNB, then I'll click stake. When you click stake, it will take you to this place where specify the amount of BNB that you want to stake. As you can see, I'll just click maximum. As you can see, this is the unit of BNB that I have in my wallet. Once I click maximum, it will show up. Then the next thing I want to do is to click stake. Now I want you to know one secret here. The more your BNB that you stake, the more the number or the unit of coin that you will farm that will be allocated to you at the end of the farming period. So that is how it works. Whenever you see any coin being farmed on Binance, please disregard any link sent to you. It will just amount to a waste of time. I hope this video have enlightened you on how to farm coin on Binance. Please, I want to enjoy you to share this video, like this video, subscribe to InfoDem. Let other people have this experience and this information, because and don't let other people have this information. This is exactly what you do to any coin that are being farmed or that are going through farming process on Binance. It is the same process. So I want to say congratulations to you. Till I see you in my next video, I say be good.